What's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about ぜひ absolutely, certainly, please do something by all means. First meaning that I want to check is absolutely or certainly. Many of my students use ぜひ in negative forms, but actually this is wrong. For example, 明日新宿に行きませんか and ぜひ行きません No, don't do this. We have to say ぜひ行きましょう When you want to say in a negative form, do not use ぜひ Just excuse with ちょっと明日忙しいんですよね By the way, this ぜひ absolutely, certainly, or sometimes meaning as in definitely, this is a kind of formal way. When you want to speak with a friend, how do we use? We normally say 明日新宿行かないぜひぜひ One point that I want to give in this sentence 明日お茶でもどう How about tea? When somebody asks to me or invite me to go for fancy tea or just how about tea? I don't want to hesitantly say ぜひ Okay, so this is what you should do. ぜひ This is not the meaning of ぜひ ぜひ is something when you're excited to do something. Okay?
Okay.
Third meaning that I want to give in ぜひ is please do something. For example, ぜひまた遊びに来てください Please pay a visit again. This is very, very common amongst Japanese people. When you are even close or not close, please come and visit again to my place or to my local area. If you just say また来てください Please come again and ぜひ来てください These nuances are pretty different また来てください Please come again In this case, I feel like you just formally want to say that I care about you, so please come if you want. But if you say またぜひ来てください or ぜひまた来てください then I feel that this person is sincerely and want me to visit them again. Fourth meaning that I want to give in ぜひ is pros and cons, or whether something is right or wrong. When you want to judge, is this right or wrong? We also use ぜひ but to be honest, this is not very common and we don't use on a daily basis. For example, you can say このアニメの是非を教えてください Could you please tell me this anime's pros and cons? But obviously, we don't talk like this. No. In casual case, we say このアニメ面白いか教えてくれる Could you please tell me whether this anime is good or not? Well, in business, what we can probably use this ぜひ is 話し合いでぜひを問うことにしよう Let's decide whether this discussion is right or wrong.
Oh, no, don't want to.
Do you like watching anime? I do. Well, how could it be used in anime? This ぜひ word. Well, I'm a huge fan of action anime. I'm not very fan of romance type of anime. So let me think about a scene from action anime. Okay? By the way, this is not straight from the anime line. This is what I thought about just now. There's something that popped in my head. Right. For example, when the character want opponent, then I want him or her to die. In this case, お前にはぜひとも死んでもらいたいな。So, this is how might be used in anime. ぜひ。There are some other cases that could be used, and if you have any idea or if you wonder, can I use this case or this scenario? Please write me a comment below and I'm going to answer to your questions. Thank you very much for your time. ありがとうございました。I hope this was helpful. If you liked my video, please hit the like button or subscribe. And hope to see you next time. では、またね。